Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to connect Waze to your car's Bluetooth in 2026. This lets you hear Waze navigation directions and alerts through your car's speakers. First, turn on your car and open the Bluetooth settings on your phone. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled. Then select your car from the list of available devices. Follow the pairing instructions on your phone and car screen. Once your phone is connected, open Waze and tap the menu icon. Select Settings, then choose Voice and Sound. Make sure the sound is turned on and select the appropriate audio output option for your car. Now, enter a destination and start navigation. Waze will play its voice directions through your car's speakers. If you can hear Waze, check your car's audio source and make sure the volume is turned up. You can also disconnect and reconnect Bluetooth if necessary. And that's how to connect Waze to your car's Bluetooth. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more Waze tutorials.